Hi guys, this is your advisor, Sir Ken.
So far sir, kamusta ang school year sir?
Okay naman,
Um,
very challenging, lingaw, and I met a lot of students, especially in my advisory class, two advisory class, especially ako sa
mm,
okay naman, ang daming mga unexpected events. Pero mostly, hindi na ko makalimutan is ang mga achievements when it comes to performances, and also seeing my students uh, with their progress ng ilang mga tasks and even their performances.
hmm. Wait, mag-isip ako isa. Ikaw
So my
ba?
first
Ano?
impression,
Yan,
so,
yan.
honestly, kabalik ko naman, chika na ako ni sa Playford.
Pero sige lang sir.
I thought na hindi ko ma-connect sa inyo na I think it was because there was an issue from a student in grade 12, and based from your reaction, I observed na medyo
Mm.
may concerns. You would react immediately to those kind of concern, like you are not afraid to 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 I mean your voice has to be heard, raise talaga kayo ng concerns niyo. And so nabasa na ko to siya, and I expected na medyo nagkamado. Kato lang po siya ng part, pero as time goes by, I knew you even better. Tapos I observed na you are very fun, creative. I will emphasize the word creative. Based from my other advisories at previous years sa Amazonia, you guys are the most creative in section. Like,
Sige.
diverse siya, na may different circles, na may different personalities. Pero, namin lahi dito sa section, but you are united as one, and you guys, all of you are creative. Generally. Kato. So, my impression now is, kato you, creative kayo mo, you have this kind of gimmick, which hindi nagawa ng previous Amor Solo, and even the other AD section. I'm not comparing, pero you guys are one of a kind na section.
Sir, last. For sa amin sir na grade 12, mag-grade 12 na din. Ano man masasabi mo sir?
Yun. So, I knew na this section is not permanent. Of course, pag grade 12 is separate ways ng yun mo. And I hope that whatever you build, you build like the relationship, the memories together as a class. I hope that it will instill in your hearts. Hindi nyo kalimutan the memories. You need to cherish it. And even mag-grade 12 na kayo, you need to still open kayo with your former classmates. May solo, magka-breaks pa rin. Hindi dapat mag-leave or mag-leave or i-remove sa GC. Dapat nagapon may GC. I think that's one of the mga tools na you will still be connected with your former classmates. Tapos of course, dapat nagapon mga reunion. Para even though you're not anymore classmates next school year, you will still you're still connected. You will still see each other. And then next year man po in AD grade 12, there will be times na you'll be working as a strand, like as a section, but as a strand. So there will be times na you will have the same task with the other sections or depende sa inyong field of art, you'll be working together with lahat ng performing arts, visual and media arts, regardless of the section. So yun lang. Laban lang next year. Kung ano yung mga things na na-observe nyo that needs to be worked on, needs to improve this school year, dapat make a plan and improve na next school year. Dapat goal nyo, mag-create kayo ng goal. You need to create a goal, you need to aim it. Do your best na focus talaga sa goal para maganda yung results nyo at the end of the school year next year.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.